Hello. Guys, welcome again to an episode of Learn the TOEFL the Easy Way with Teacher Fish. So for today's lesson, we will focus on another reading section question type called reference question. Similar to a vocabulary question, I like describing this question type as a standalone question, since it also does not require you to have a full understanding of the passage in order to answer a reference question. Another similarity between vocabulary and reference questions is that the question will be about a highlighted word in a text. You, as the test taker, are required to understand the relationship between certain words and what they refer to in the passage. You must also determine which word or phrase the highlighted word is referring to. Remember that the highlighted word is commonly a pronoun. He, she, it, or they. It may also be other words like his, hers, its, or theirs. Demonstrative pronouns such as this, that, these, or those, may at times be highlighted as well. How a reference question may appear on the test is the third similarity between a vocabulary and a reference question. It may appear on the test as the word X in the passage refers to. Again, always keep in mind that it is important to know what kind of question type you are answering so that you know what strategies to use. Moving forward, let us now talk about the techniques or strategies that can help you make answering a reference question much easier. Starting off with, always bear in mind that the case and number of the pronoun and its antecedent must be the same. As you may have already learned in your grammar class, an antecedent is the noun or noun substitute that a pronoun refers to. Anyway, going back to strategy number 1, if the highlighted word is singular, ignore answer choices that are plural in number. In the same manner, if the highlighted word is plural, then you must not choose singular answer choices. Here is a simple example. Let's say the highlighted word is she. Then, in the answer choices, A, women, and B, Maria. Answer choice A obviously does not match with she in terms of number, since she is singular while women is the plural form of woman and indicates that there is more than one. Contrastingly, choice B is the correct choice because both she and Maria are singular in number. Simple. Okay. For the second tip, try substituting the highlighted word with each answer choice. Check which of the answer choices makes the most sense. This process can help eliminate some of the answer choices as possible answers. Before we move to the next technique, and with regards to tips 1 and 2, if all the answer choices are the same in case or number as the highlighted word, then you would have to do the second method with all the answer choices. But, if you were able to make use of the first and the second, then you would further increase your chances of choosing the correct answer. Alright, for the third strategy, always remember that the answer choices use the same words that appear on the passage. They will also appear in the same order that they are written in the passage. Some answer choices consist of a single word while others may be phrases. Now for my last tip, always keep in mind again that in most occasions, the correct answer may appear before the highlighted word. Sometimes, however, the correct answer choice may come after the highlighted word. So these are the 4 tips you can use in order to more effectively answer a reference question. It is again time to practice what we learned. Here is a part of a reading passage. It says, another aspect is that people in the cities often have no need for personal vehicles. Many still drive, yet large numbers of people do not. The main reason for this is the existence of public transportation systems in urban centers. Most cities have extensive bus systems. These provide cheap, convenient, swift travel throughout the city and its suburbs. Larger cities typically have subway systems as well. An extra benefit of these is that they do not have to stop for traffic at all. Instead, they speed through underground corridors and get their passengers to their destinations in a predictable amount of time. The question says, the word these in the passage refers to A, extensive bus systems, B, the city, C, larger cities, D, subway systems. If you chose D, then you are correct. Let's find out why. Note that the important phrase in the sentence is, they do not have to stop for traffic, which means the highlighted word, these, is referring to something that is moving. Answer choice A would result in a factually incorrect statement. Also, extensive bus systems as discussed earlier in the passage. Choice B is wrong because again we are referring to something that is moving. Plus the fact that these and city do not agree in number. Choice C is also an incorrect answer choice because, obviously, larger cities do not move. So again guys, we have reached the end of our lesson about a reading section question called reference question. I hope that you would now find it easier to answer reference questions. Please do not hesitate to ask questions by leaving them on the comment section and I will do my best to answer them promptly. And always remember, the TOEFL is not difficult, if you know what to do. I have also uploaded some practice exercises here on my channel for you to sharpen your TOEFL skills. Finally, please don't forget to subscribe, press like, and turn on the notification bell so that you'd be informed whenever I upload a new lesson or practice exercises. With that, see you again on the next episode of Learn the TOEFL the Easy Way with Teacher Fish. Have a great day everyone.